velocity and position. The velocity function v of t for an object moving along a straight line is graphed to the right as two straight line segments for 0 less than x less than 6 less than or equal to. The horizontal axis is time, okay, measured in seconds, okay, and the vertical axis velocity measured in meters per second, okay. If at time t equals 0, the object is at 3 meters, what is the position of the object at 6 seconds? Okay, so the idea here is we have velocity with respect to time, and we integrate this with respect to time, then we'll get position with respect to time plus some constant c. And this is telling us that this constant c, which is the initial position, is 3. So x of 0 equals 3. So what we need to do is find the position. So I guess to be more technical, this would be x at position 6 minus x at position 0 plus c, where x equals the integral of v of t. So if you've had physics yet, you might have seen the kinematic equations. The way the kinematic equations work is they say, whoop, you have some sort of constant acceleration, and so this is, and do it this way, a of t equals some constant a. It's almost always gravity. Then if you take the integral of that, you'll get velocity, which will be at plus v naught t plus v naught, which is the constant c. Then you take the integral of velocity, and you get position, which will be 1/2 at squared plus v naught t plus x naught. And normally you just memorize these equations because it's almost easier to memorize them than to try and worry about learning calculus. Because you really don't have to memorize that, okay, acceleration is a constant. Long story short, so this is our velocity. We want position. What is the position at t equals 6 seconds? 2, 4, 6, okay. So we want to find the integral from here to there, which is just the area under the curve. So without further ado, so we have 2 here. We have 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. We have 4 here. 2 here. 4 times 2 is 8. Yes. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 minus 4 equals -2. Therefore, the integral from 0 to 6 of v of t equals -2. So we do -2 plus our initial condition c right here. So we have -2 plus c is 1. And so the answer to this guy will be 1.